So rather than trying to stir all this stuff up and send it through the filter, I've chosen to turn the Triton valve to waste, and now I'm just pumping this filthy water from the bottom of the pool to the drain. I think it's just more efficient than trying to clean this water or make everything else dirty. The nice thing is that each time I brush the walls, this stuff continues to fall to the bottom. So I'm thinking that most of the filth is on the bottom. Now, I can definitely shut things off and do some more sweeping, but this is probably just going to be the way to go. And it's hard to do this with one hand, so I'm going to stop this video so I can get the job done.